You guys know that usually I'm not the biggest fan of outsourcing development because I'm more of a fan of learning how to do things on your own. The thing is that sometimes it is necessary, and even though I don't recommend it, I use it myself. And I want to tell you about the successful way in which I've been using outsourcing that you can actually replicate, right? And it's not like 100% outsourcing. What I've been doing is actually I've chosen a company after trying a few different ones, and I chose one which they're professional and they have good communication, and their good communication allowed me to constantly be in touch with them. They have a dedicated manager who's always in touch with me and making sure that my needs are satisfied, but also their engineers are also able to communicate with me, and because of that, I'm able to kind of almost work side by side. So I do some of the easy development, and whenever things get difficult for me, what I do is I get these guys to either create it, right? But after that, I make sure that I get them to coach me so that they can explain what's in the code, how they built it, and walk me through it, so that later, if I need to change anything, if I need to edit things on my own, it becomes easy for me, and I'm able to uh, just do it myself. So the outsourcing cost for me becomes low, and then it becomes more effective. It becomes more cost effective to hire out, to outsource, because it doesn't end up being a total black box for me. I'm still kind of like one of the lead developers on this project. I still have my hands in everything, which means I have control. I understand where everything goes, and I'm not like 100% dependent on anyone that I outsource. But at the same time, I never get stuck anymore. If I need a senior developer, they have senior developers. Things that are difficult for me, they figure them out just like that. So the development time goes really fast because I'm kind of like side by side. Whenever I hit a bump in the road, these guys like help me solve it really fast, and they have like um, engineering, but also design. So you get the entire gamut, right? It's a one-stop shop, and I've been kind of able to make really good progress using these guys. Lemeur.com. It's Lemeor.com. That's if you are curious which company I'm using to outsource. Is these guys. They're based in Ukraine, and I've had a really nice relationship with them. We're making really nice progress on my apps, and which I hope to relaunch with awesome design and better features soon. So that's how I do it. I don't fully dive into outsourcing, but definitely it will speed up your time, and it will become cost effective if you do it intelligently, right? So don't look at it like I'm just going to have all my work done, but look at it like, how can I speed up my time? Where can I cut corners? Where do I need more quality than I'm able to give my on my own? And that's where you outsource those pieces, but make sure that you're still sort of in control, and you're still sort of one of the developers of the app, so that you know where everything goes, and the more details in which you really understand deeply about your app, then the more you'll be able to improve the app as a business, as a product, everything.